What is up, everyone? So in today's video what we're going to talk about is a risk-free passive income strategy, and this is something that I use. It's not some random stuff that I just heard about somewhere. This is something that I actually use all the time, all day, every day. So if at any point in this video you like it, give me one of these. I'd highly appreciate it. Also, you can subscribe, hit that notification bell. That really helps me out in the algorithm. Also, if you have any questions or anything you want to say, put them in the comments and I'll happily answer you whatever you post. I always answer every single comment, so make sure you do that. And let's get right into the video. So the very first thing that you want to do, and I talked about this in another video, I think it was my previous video, you want to choose a product that people are promoting. So whatever you want to sell it on, so do it on TikTok, do it on Instagram, do it on YouTube, whatever you want to do. Have a product that other people are selling, and not just one person, but a few different people, because that means the product is actually selling, because if nobody's promoting it, it's probably not selling. So make sure you have these, have a product that actually sells and actually helps people go through the program if it's a program, go through a product if it's a product, and so on and so forth. The next thing that you want to see about that product is it's actually paying you. Now, what do I mean by that? If you're doing affiliate marketing, just like we talk about on this channel a lot, you want to promote some product that actually make you money. So if you promote something from Amazon, they'll give you a 1% or 2%, or I think it goes up to 3% of the actual product, and that's really nothing, because it's going to take you a huge amount of people that see your content or see whatever you're promoting to actually start making some money. So instead, what you want to have is a high ticket product. So what do I mean by high ticket product? It could be something that's worth $2,500, for example, and that may sound like a lot of money, but it doesn't take you a lot more investment or whatever to actually make it sell. But people are not going to buy something that's worth $2,500. Instead, they want to have something that's a low ticket. So for example, something that's $7. So if you sell them something for $7, and for $7 they get a huge amount of value, like $2,000 amount of value for $7, which is the product that I'm promoting. I'm just telling you what I do. If they get insane amounts of value for $7, some few people that have bought that, they are going to buy an upsell for $2,500, because for $7 they got $2,000 worth of value. So imagine what they could get for $2,500, and if it's a good product, they'll be really happy to buy something for that amount of money. Even though it may seem like a lot, if they get $10,000 worth of value for $2,500, then obviously it's a great thing. So have a low ticket in the front end, and then upsell them on a higher ticket product. And some products do that all the way. Like for example, what I'm promoting is the 15-day challenge. It's worth $15. It's got insane amounts of value, and they will offer you to buy an upsell. You don't have to buy it, but you could. So the people that buy it are really happy about that, and they make some money. So that's just an example, but that's the basis of what you want to have. You want to have a low ticket on the front end, higher ticket on the back end, and especially if it's a digital product, then you get 40-50% of the sale, and that you can make a ton of money. Like you could make one sale, make $1,000, and if you do that for the whole month, that is a $30,000 month. And you don't have to have a huge audience to do this. This is something that you can do starting from zero. So what I suggest doing, with that being said, is that you want to start from TikTok and Instagram. And I suggest you watch my TikTok and Instagram video, because I'm not going to go all the, talk about everything in there, but I'll put them in the description so that you can check it out. But basically, you're going to use your TikTok video and just upload it to Instagram, basically. And don't do it really like just saving it to your phone and re-uploading it, because you don't want to have the watermark. But I explain everything in another video, so I'm not going to go into all the details about that. But basically, Instagram and TikTok kind of have the same thing with Reels and, the basic TikTok app, is they just want to push out a lot of your content. It's going to go viral a lot easier than anywhere else, so whether it's, YouTube or anything else, any other platform. TikTok by far is what's going to be the best, and obviously it's going to get harder over time, just like everything else. But Instagram, it also goes viral, and I find it kind of weird. Sometimes you get 50 views, sometimes you get 10,000 views, but it really varies. So you want to go on both and see what works. And the TikTok app is, they could ban your account and stuff like that. They do it very easy since it's a new app. Instagram a bit less, and YouTube a bit less. But the other thing is, from that exact order, it's more sustainable. So YouTube is way more sustainable than TikTok and, Instagram. So start with Instagram and TikTok, post a bunch there. 3 times a day is what I do. You could do it 4 or 5 times a day, and just grow your account. And if you have a YouTube channel, maybe some of you have found me through TikTok. So if you start uploading to TikTok and Instagram, and you find you just have a bit more time, then I suggest you start to create a YouTube channel. But obviously, make sure that you have some kind of success, at least some, with your TikTok and Instagram. That's what I suggest. So what you do with TikTok is basically you recreate the videos that go viral on TikTok in your niche, because you want to make sure that you want the right attention, not a ton of attention. If you have a million video that gets watched 1,000,000 times, but it's got nothing in there that's that's catered to your audience, you're not going to sell anything. So make sure that you watch people in your niche and do the same kind of videos. Then what you do is you want to create a 2-page website. I use Builderall. I'll put the link in the description for that. And you want to create a 2-page website. So the very first page that they land on is, they want to enter the email and their name. You want to have a little text about why they want to enter their email and name, but most likely if they end up on that page, they'll be happy to enter that. On the next page, you want to pre-sell them. So what you do to pre-sell them, you talk about what they're going to see next, what the offer is about, how it's going to help them out, how it's going to solve their problem, because that's what you want to do. You want to solve people's problems. You don't want to just sell for the sake of selling. You want to sell to help them solve their problems. So for example, the 15-day challenge is going to solve their problem. If they want more money, and if they want to work from home and stuff like that, if they want to quit their jobs, then that's a great way to do it, and that will teach them how they can eventually do that. So once you tell them about that, you tell them that they're going to see on the next page, somebody else that's going to talk about it, and that's your affiliate video. So from that 3rd page on, it's not you anymore, it's that affiliate program. So if they have a sales video, that's where you send them to. So they end up on that video, and maybe they'll buy, maybe they won't, but some of them will. Then you want to have an email autoresponder. Great thing about that is you don't want to send people hundreds and hundreds of emails, but you want to send them an email every single day. And if you have thousands of people on your email list, you don't want to spend your days selling emails. So you write them once, and just set it up for 1 day, 2 days, 3rd day, and so on and so forth. So that's exactly what you do. And that way everything is set up. I also use Builderall for that. You know, you could use ClickFunnels for the, you know, the 2-page website and use something else for that second page. But Builderall, I find you everything. I'll put the link to Builderall in the description as well, so you can check that out. But, you know, this is what I do. So, you know, if you want to have the building blocks of really understanding everything about affiliate marketing in the first place, I'll put the link in the description to the 15-day challenge. I went through it. It's awesome, as I said. You know, if you don't, either way, you can still subscribe to this channel because I give you everything that I know. I give you all the tips and it will, you know, help you out. So regardless, make sure you subscribe. Leave me a comment. Give me one of these. I'd highly appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.